So guys, if you are trying to make any purchase on PlayStation, well, I'm getting this error. It says an error has occurred and the error code is E-8210604A. By the way, this error is very common onto PlayStation, PS4, PS5. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. So without further ado, let's get started. So well, what is the root cause of this problem? Well, this error can happen due to many reasons, but one of the most common reason is internet connection issues. Also, it can occur due to some temporary bugs onto your device. So how can you fix it? Well, it's pretty simple. If you are getting this error E-8210604A, you can simply try restarting your PS4 and check your internet connection. Make sure you got active internet connection to your PS4. Alternatively, you can modify your DNS, and in a worst case scenario, you can change your email account. But heading over to the Reddit, I found a really helpful post, a very quick fix to this issue. The same user is getting the error code I just told you, and he's getting the error when he's trying to buy something, and this one is a confirm fix. So let me tell you, first thing, you can sign out of your PlayStation Network account, then you can restart your router, then you can restart your console as well. So whether you got PS4, PS5, you just restart it, then sign back into your PlayStation store and then retry whatever purchase that you are trying to do. And there it is guys, that's the easiest fix that you can do to solve this error code on your PlayStation. Well, I hope this video was helpful, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.